Hello, everyone, and welcome to STENO 24/7, your court reporting dictation channel. I appreciate you all being here today. And of course, as soon as I start, there's a truck coming. So let's just give this a minute to get by. Let the people do their job picking up the trash this morning, and then we'll get into this dictation. Thank you so much for being here. And if this is your first time here, of course, you need to hit the subscription button. And you can also leave me a comment, or I answer all comments. And you can also rate this video and share this video. Now that we have got the truck on by, I'm going to go ahead and do my screen share with you. And we're going to get right into this Pittman 5-minute speed test. Yes, that's what we're doing this morning. I am trying to finish this up. So we are now at the 200 word per minute video. So I've done this from 52, and I'm going to end up at 230 words per minute as I usually do. So, but this is the 200 word per minute video, and it is on reserve power. And not only do I want you to type this, but I'd like for you to transcribe it as well, because some of you have been with me long enough to be able to take a test and pass it. Okay. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's write. A remark commonly on the lips of students of a certain type is that they need nothing more than a moderate knowledge of the subject they are studying, or a moderate degree of skill in the practice of the art which they happen to be trying to acquire. They are satisfied with just enough ability to serve the immediate purposes of the moment. Later on, the same people are heard complaining that their merits are not recognized, that promotion does not come their way, and that their salaries do not increase. The result is that for which they have prepared themselves. The man who gets on in life is the man whose knowledge and skill are greater than are required at the time. The man who has fitted himself for tasks that have not been entrusted to him. He is the man who is ready when an emergency arises to cope with it successfully. He can step outside his daily routine and show himself equal to the unaccustomed duty. When opportunity comes along, he is able to respond to the call. Where the man who has contented himself with just enough to get through his everyday work discovers that the very thing that an opportunity demands is beyond his capacity. Illustrations could be given without number. Perhaps as good and as forcible an example can be drawn from any other source. In the course of the suggestive discussion the other day at the Incorporated Phonographers Society on the question whether what is nowadays termed high speed is worthwhile, the testimony of rapid writers of proved capacity as to the clerk whose employer dictates slowly is unexpectedly asked to take notes of an interviewer in which one of the parties is a rapid speaker, or his employer takes a partner who is accustomed to dictate rapidly, or the clerk is invited to take down a document which is read out to him quickly while a caller who has brought it is waiting impatiently to have it returned to him. The greater the speed capacity of the writer, the more satisfaction he will be able to give everybody concerned, including himself. If he be incapable of anything more than a moderate speed, his deficiency will be made painfully apparent, and it will not be forgotten. There you have it. 100 word per minute test. I hope you did well with that today, and I will be finishing up this dictation today because I have some other dictation I need to get to. So I will be finishing this up today. So there will be 210 coming after this if you didn't get the email, and then 220, 230. And that will be the end of this particular dictation. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate all of your time that you spend with me. Please rate this video. Please rate this video. Please rate this video right now before we leave. And thank you so much. And happy writing, everyone.